You know Uniden as a global leader in wireless communications. XTRAK 40 is the latest innovative UHF CB radio from Uniden. This unit is unique in that it has been designed and built rugged to withstand Australia and New Zealand's tough weather conditions. Whether you run an ATV, 4x4, farm vehicle, industrial machinery or quad bike, the XTRAK 40 is the perfect solution for outdoors use, as it's both waterproof and dustproof, meeting the IP67 standard. Being compact and rugged doesn't mean a compromise on features either. It has dual speakers in both the heavy-duty speaker microphone and the CB radio base, making it easy to hear in loud environments. With its instant replay function, you'll be sure you never miss a transmission again, as it can record up to 3 minutes of recently received transmissions. The smart mic technology has a 4-way smart key, built-in dynamic speaker, voice enhancer and a one-touch control, making it an ideal choice. The XTRAK 40 even has a scanner built in to hear selective frequencies, meaning the XTRAK is going to perform in any environment. It comes 12 volt and 24 volt suitable, and with 5 years warranty and 5 watts of power, the XTRAK 40 won't let you down. For more information or to see the complete range, head over to uniden.com.au.